Hello, this is Dr. Oz. In this video, I would like to show you how to use VLookUp, which is very powerful Excel function to search things from a big database. So I will show you here a smaller example, of course, but you will have thousands or hundreds of rows and columns, and you can use, especially columns, rows, you can use VLookUp, and HLOOKUP is very similar. I'm not covering in this video for column search. So what I would like to do in this problem is that I have $250,000 bonus that I would like to give to my salespeople. Why? Because if you give more money to people based on their performance, basically they will perform even better. So I would like to distribute this $250,000 between these great 15 individual salespeople that I have. And as you see, these people have accomplished last quarter or year or month, whatever it might be, based on your target. So for example, Barth could achieve 83% of his or her target, versus Benson, no sales. Obviously, he or she shouldn't get any bonus. Capel, he or she went above 100% of what's expected from him. So now I would like to, based on this performance, I would like to give this $250,000 in a fair manner. So this is my company's policy, and I need to come up with my own company policy in real life. So if someone got somewhere between 0 to 10% of what was asked for, no points or no bonus. If someone got 11 to 50% of their target, 10 bonus points. If someone got between 51 to 79, 15 bonus points. And if someone got over 100% to pretty much infinity, that person will get 40 bonus points. All right, so based on these bonus points, I will take the average and distribute the money based on that. So what I'm going to do is, first, I would like to calculate these bonuses for every single individual here. So Control C, Control V. So now I need to first calculate what bonus points did they receive based on their performance. To be able to calculate that, I will use, instead of looking one by one each number here and then see which threshold they fit in, which is not that bad for 15 people, but if you have 1,000 employees, this will be really painful. And if you are doing this every week or every month, every year, it's just so much work. So instead of doing that, I will do automation, which is VLookUp. So I need to look up the value. What value am I looking up? In this case, I will start with Barth, 83%. And I want to see where does it fit. So what I'm going to do is I will choose the table array. When you put comma, Excel tells you, hey, what is the table array. So I'm going to use this table right here to decide on that. And then Excel is asking me the column index number. So in this case, I'm trying to figure out column index of 3. And then comma, Excel approximate match is fine. It doesn't have to be exact value, as long as it's close enough, I will say it's true. All right, so now you can see that Excel is so smart and it calculates the bonus payment for Barth. Let's see whether it's correct. 83% is between these two thresholds and equivalent is 25. So I want to drag it down. To do that, I need to make sure that my red array is locked in. So I highlight this red, F4, and I like that. Again, what does this 3 stands for? This 3 here stands for return a third element in this third column in this array, which is 1, 2, 3. All right, so let's see whether this is gonna work. Double click, Control Shift down, delete. So as you see here, Benson got nothing and Keppel get 40 points, because literally he achieved beyond 100%, which is this threshold will give him 40 points. So let's calculate total points earned in this 15 people sales team, basically using some function, Control Shift up arrow, Control Shift down arrow. And as you see, the total is 295. You could highlight those values too. So now I want to calculate these percentages. So what's the percent of the pool that each individual got? Double click whenever you have this symbol to adjust the width. So to calculate percentage, the value of the individual divided by the total. and I need to lock the total F4 so that I can drag it down. So the percentage-wise, the first person got really 8.5% of the points. So if I just drag it down, as you see here, each individual got certain percentages. So based on these percentages, now I would like to distribute my money, the bonus available, which is $250,000. To do that, we can calculate bonus amount. All right, so what I'm gonna do is bonus amount will be percentage times the money available for me, which is $250,000. F4 to lock that cell, enter, and drag it down. And as you see here, Bart received $21,186.44, and Capel got $33,898.31 because Capel get better performance. So let me just put the the lines here to separate my headings from my data and the total from the data as well. So that's it. I mean, I distribute $250,000 between 15 individuals in a fair manner. That's it for this video. Until next video, enjoy business analytics.